Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can duplicate projects in CapCut PC. Go to menu and go back to homepage. So when you duplicate projects, it's going to also duplicate everything that's in it, your media as well. So keep that in mind. Select the project that you want to duplicate. I'm just going to select this one, for instance. I'm just going to select these three dots and I'm going to select duplicate, and it's going to duplicate everything from your edits, the media that you have used, and everything. That's why it's going to take longer. If there's a lot of media that you have imported into your project, it's going to take longer to duplicate. That is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!